part of land management and stewardship is simply keeping trails tidied up as well as taking care of access points. So today I'm going to work on clearing stuff like this out of the way. That way I open the trails up, make an area back here where it's easier to turn around trailers. And then finally, I'm going to add some cable gates to the property, which will be clear entrance and egress points that allow for better vehicle access. In addition to that, for those would-be wanderers, it's going to help try to keep them out a little bit. This is a good start to what I wanted to get clear. Got this trail a little wider, a little bit easier to turn. And now that I got this main area done, I still have a little work to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and start on the cable gates now. Now, before I get started, I went a little backwards and I went ahead and made my cable and chains. And I had a rough idea on how much footage I want, but I just went ahead, laid it on the ground real quick to give me a good idea. And I want 2 feet or so at the end to tie it off on this side. But that gives me a pretty good idea for the post. I'm going to put one somewhere right in here and another one pretty close to that pine tree. And to do that, I just went ahead and bought a little Harbor Freight auger. Going to be a heck of a lot easier than using a post hole digger. First time I've ever ran one of these or started it, so we'll see how it goes. I imagine there's a clutch, so now we got start. That's on. Auger certainly makes the job a lot easier. It doesn't do a great job getting all dirt out, so I was going to come in here and get this soft dirt that's now been chewed up out a lot quicker and easier. Rather than a 4x4 post, I'm going with 6x6. This is a project I want to be one and done for quite some time, which is why I'm thinking this through, make sure I got plenty of room for access with anything guys should really have. That's the bad side. With the post in, I'm going to go ahead, put some concrete in here with it. Plan is to use these large D-rings, make it as easy as possible to manipulate the lock with gloves and whatnot, but right here, going to drill 2 small pilot holes and then use a spade bit to drill all the way through the post, give me a strong connection. But I'll just use this back plate as a quick template. That's the first of 3 gates done. Very simple cable gate. Those posts are going to be rock solid here in just a few days, but eye bolt is in, and then I have this thimble that's going to keep the cable from wearing over time and also let it move freely if it's windy. But I'm able to adjust the height of this cable as needed using this chain, and it just gives me a little bit more flexibility, say if these posts move in or anything like that, or if I find I want to put it down a little bit lower. Yeah, deshackle, lock, that's going to be perfect for general security. If somebody really wants to get in here, obviously they're going to be able to, but if you want to spend less money and you're just looking for general denial of access, this will do the trick, I think.